Hey YouTube, welcome to So Easy with Shelby and Gabby. I'm your host Kay Stewart, and I want to thank my subscribers for just hanging in there with me. About 3 months ago, I put my machine in to have it serviced because every time that the bar would come down, it was hitting the faceplate, and I wasn't sure what happened. So I took it in. I said, go ahead and service it, get it nice and cleaned out, and find out why it's hitting the faceplate. Well, come to find out, that bar was bent, and they couldn't replace it. They couldn't find any parts to it. So I've been without my computerized machine for about 3 months. So that's why I haven't had any videos. I do have some other sewing machines in here, but it's kind of hard to go back to and that is modern sewing machine when you've used to having computerized machines. So my birthday was last weekend, and I was speaking to one of my friends, and I was talking about different machines that that are out here on the market, and I just was saying how I really want to get a machine of quality and a really good machine this time that will last a long time, that will stand endurance and things like that. And my good friend, I'm gonna call him Boss Ross, he said, hey, listen, why don't you tell me those machines that you're talking about? Like, which one are you thinking about getting? So we're talking about, again, I've been talking about these machines for about a month now. Because I want to make sure, again, I just wanted to make sure that I got a good machine. One that I could come and do my videos. That wasn't going to worry about breaking down so fast or always in the shop or anything like that. So, again, my birthday was last weekend. And Mr. Ross said, Kiki, happy birthday. So, I got a new machine, and not only did I get a new machine, I'm gonna just turn this box around like this. Oh, it may be upside down. So I actually decided to unbox my machine online with my YouTube family, because you all have been with me, you have been watching me, you have been sewing with me, and I just wanted to share this experience with you. I just got me a new Janome machine. And for those maybe intermediate, not necessarily a beginner sewers, you know that that is a great machine. The product that it produces is absolutely fabulous, and I'm so excited. Like, I've always wanted one of these machines, but they've always been on the higher end, a little bit more expensive than I could afford at the time. So and I was still getting good quality machines. I just couldn't get this machine because, again, it was the more higher end of the bargain. So again, I guess I was being a very good friend this year, and I found some really good deals, so I was able to get this Janome. So again, we all know that these machines are great quality, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to unbox this. But again, I wanted to come on here and I wanted to reveal this with my YouTube family, because again, I've been sewing with you all on YouTube now for about 3 years, and you've always been wonderful to me. I've seen the viewers' choices, I've seen viewer picks, I've seen emails that you've sent me, and even the ones who've reached out and said, hey, what's going on, I haven't seen a video lately. The ones who've subscribed to my Facebook group, I just want to say thank you again, because it's definitely been rough without a machine. So we're going to go ahead and get started, because I've been waiting all day to do this, and when I tell you, I cannot wait. I'm so excited.
As you can see,
So
I have the box
right
here,
and I'm not really sure what side it's on, so I have my little knife, and I'm going to go ahead and open this box. I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, this side here. Okay, so this side here. And slice this one open. I hope you all can see. Here we go. They always make sure they ship it to you in a really good box. Hey, look what we have here. So here we are. This is my new machine. This is my Janome, the 100 DC. This is my new machine right here. So excited. Okay, so let's get this one open. Gonna open this up. Like I told you, I'm so grateful. So grateful to have this machine. So I wanted, again, to share this moment with my YouTube family. Because you've been hanging in there with me. Alright. We all know. Y'all know how I feel about my manuals. I always keep my manuals. I have my manuals on my shelf for all my machines. I think this is the soft cover for it when I'm not using it. So, let's do this. This is a really heavy machine. Okay. Whew. That was tough. They make sure that these machines are packed well. So, here's my foot pedal. Put that to the side. Hey, check me out, y'all. Okay, so I gotta give this baby a name. I don't know what I'm going to name this baby yet. So why don't we do that? On my YouTube, I need y'all to help me name this baby. I need to find a name. So if you can put some comments down at the bottom on what you think I should name this one. So everyone knows So Easy with Shelby and Gabby came from my two previous machines. So one was Shelby and one is Gabby. Gabby's the one that actually got sick and had to go away. So I don't have Gabby anymore. I do still have Shelby, who's over there on the shelf. So I need to give this baby a name. I don't know what I'm gonna name this yet. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like I'm gonna plug it up, y'all. We're gonna plug it up. We're gonna get a little action tonight. Let's see what this thing does when it lights up. Because I heard that this screen right here, I heard that there's a really good LED lighting on this machine. So let's check it out. So I have my cord right here. I'll plug it up. Plug that in here. Alright, so we have the machine plugged up, and let's just turn it on and see what it does. It does. The LED light on this is beautiful, y'all. It's nice and it's really big too, so you can really see those numbers. You see that right there? There's really good light here. They already have a needle placed in the machine. This thing has everything, y'all. It has the on and off. It has the cutter. It has the stop and start button. Here's your speed, so you can make it go fast or slow. You can see this light is really well here. It has the drop-in spin plate, and like again, everything is here on the screen, which I'll learn all my stitchings because they are in the book. So I'll learn the numbers of which is which. I have my spool here, which is ready. So here's your bobbin winder on top. This is your needle placement, so it can go up and down. Here's your reverse button right there. So here's your plate that comes off. Look, here's my automatic button foot and buttonhole. So y'all know how we love these things here. Just put your button in there and it'll automatically figure out how long the hole needs to be. Once you place it here, and do some things on here. So, and then there's a small arm here. And I also have an extension plate so that I can put it here for bigger projects that I'm using. Here's my tension. And it's really easy to thread. And it has all the numbers up here so you know how to thread it. I'm just excited right now. I'm so excited right now about getting this new machine and getting started again. That's definitely one of the things I'm excited about, because I'll be able to start adding more videos. So again, if you haven't done so, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because within the next few weeks there's going to be videos popping out every week. One of the first projects I'm going to do, I'm actually doing for Boss Ross as a thank you, because I appreciate him for getting me this machine. So here's his jacket, and the jacket is way too big. So I'm going to tailor this jacket. But while I'm tailoring the jacket, I'm going to put step by step on the video. So you'll be able to do that for your own jackets, because the steps aren't they're the same for women or men's jackets. So I'm looking forward. I'm telling you, I'm looking so forward to being able to explore this machine, play with this machine, look at the manual again, and just, you know, start messing with some features. I'm going to actually mess with some features tonight. I had a dress that I wasn't able to finish because I wasn't able to really put my buttons on it, and I wanted to make sure my buttonholes were right. So I'm going to finish that tonight. I'm not sure if I'm going to YouTube it, but again, I just wanted to say thank you, subscribers, for hanging in there with me. Thank you, Boss Ross, for my new machine. And I'm looking forward to many projects coming in the future. And you know my saying, grab some fabric, grab your scissors, and let's begin. So, see you soon. Thanks again for hanging in there with me. If you haven't done so, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Send me an email, leave a comment. You know, let's find a name for this baby. I don't know what I'm going to name it yet, but we definitely have to come up with a name for it. So I'm looking forward to seeing all your suggestions so we can pick from it. And so I found this. This is my card with all my stitches on it, because this machine gives you 100 stitches to work with. And as you can see here across the top, these are my buttonhole stitches here. And there's a lot of other different stitches. There's some decorative stitches. There's also my zigzags up here. You have some, there's some additional letters. And then there's some like little hearts and stuff like that, which you can use, because it's also a machine that you can use for quilting. I'm not a quilter, so I probably will never use the quilting functions, but it's good to know that I do have that option if I ever decide I want to be a quilter. And it's also good to know because now I know that my machine can handle heavier materials and fabric. And I'm looking forward to that, because this summer I reupholstered some, well, not really reupholstered, but I did kind of fix some seat cushions. And now that I know that this machine can handle those thicker materials and heavier materials, I'm looking forward to maybe doing a couple more projects like that. You know, not big stuff, but maybe some little stuff. You know, you never know. But again, it's always good to have. So I'm looking forward to what this machine is going to do. I can't wait to be working with you all, and I hope it's so easy with Shelby and Gabby, and I'll see you soon.